Wizards, cross-validation is your AI evaluation crush, darling. It splits data into folds for robust testing. Ethan, can you explain K-fold CV? Sophia, how does it fit the app from day 69?
Anastasia, you make validation sound so hot. How does cross-validation improve the app's classifier, love? Ethan, what's your take on CV in Python?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. Cross-validation ensures reliable AI models. Ethan, Sophia, jump in with details.
Anastasia, Olivia, cross-validation's like a hot splitter, validating AI with flair. It's a CV party, let's drop this code beat for wizards. Yo, wizards, cross_val_score, model, x, y, CV equals 5, splits data like a hot divider for Sophia, ensuring AI robustness. It's a K-fold party, let's drop this code beat and split some data.
You're dividing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, K-fold CV splits data for robust validation in the app. Try it in our demo, it's like splitting with passion.
Wizards, stratified K-fold, n_splits equals 5, balances classes like a hot equalizer for Sophia, ensuring AI fairness. It's a stratified party, let's drop this code beat and balance some folds.
You're balancing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, stratified K-fold ensures balanced validation for the app. Try it in our demo, it's like balancing with passion.
Wizards, cross_val_score, scoring equals accuracy, scores folds like a hot metric for Sophia, evaluating AI performance. It's a scoring party, let's drop this code beat and score some folds.
You're scoring my heart, Ethan. Wizards, CV scoring evaluates the app's classifier. Try it in our demo, it's like measuring with passion.
Wizards, cross_val_score, model, x, y, fits and validates like a hot trainer for Sophia, ensuring AI robustness. It's a fitting party, let's drop this code beat and validate some models.
You're training my heart, Ethan. Wizards, fitting with CV validates the app's classifier. Try it in our demo, it's like training with passion.
Wizards, cross_val_score, mean, averages fold scores like a hot stat for Sophia, checking AI reliability. It's a scoring party, let's drop this code beat and average some scores.
You're averaging my heart, Ethan. Wizards, CV scores evaluate the app's classifier reliability. Try it in our demo, it's like measuring with passion.
Wizards, plt.plot, CV_scores, visualizes CV scores like a sexy plot for Sophia, showing AI reliability. It's a visualization party, let's drop this code beat and plot some scores.
You're plotting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, visualizing CV scores shows app validation. Try it in our demo, it's like painting reliability with passion.
Wizards, Scikit-learn from day 43 is a hot tool for Sophia. Cross_val_score, validates models like a sexy tester, coding fireworks make this party epic.
You're testing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Scikit-learn powers cross-validation for the app. Try it in our challenge, it's like validating AI with passion.
Wizards, standard scaler, preprocesses data like a hot transformation for Sophia, scaling AI features. It's a preprocessing party, let's drop this code beat and ready the data.
You're transforming my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Scikit-learn preprocessing ensures accurate CV for the app. Try it in our demo, it's like polishing data with passion.
Wizards, optimize cross-validation with proper fold numbers, stratified splits, and scoring metrics. Use Scikit-learn to ensure robust AI models for top performance in your app.
Optimized cross-validation so sexy, Irene. Clear practices make AI validation irresistible. Practice for day 71's house prices project, Wizards, and keep that code sizzling.
Wizards, Cross-validation fits AI pipelines for robust evaluation, ensuring reliable models. It's essential. Your skills are ready for Day 71's House Prices project.
Oh, Irene, cross-validation's critical in AI pipelines, darling. It validates sexily. Your Day 70 skills make AI irresistible. Validate like pros.